Hi, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. If you want to put the pet back in your pet step, I highly recommend this liquid glucosamine formula from Synflex. So in our case, it's worked so fast and effectively with our dog. She is approaching middle age, she's slowing down a little bit, and she was also diagnosed with collapsed trachea, which is a problem with the connective tissue in her trachea. So we were so pleased to introduce this product into her diet as she hasn't needed any vet intervention, and I really love the fact that it's working. So with this formula, we've noticed that it's a very thick consistency, a lot thicker than any other liquid chondroitin glucosamine products we've tried in the past, which makes me feel like it's really concentrated and full of really good ingredients. So I love the fact as well that it's beef flavored. So with any dog, they're gonna love the taste like our dog does. We put it over her food, her kibble. We make her eggs in the morning and she inhales her food. And this bottle is really unique in design because you can squeeze it and the formula fills up a little reservoir at the top. And if you have a large size dog, this is incredible because it marks out the quarter and half size ounce serving. And our dog, she is significantly smaller. She's only 10 pounds, so she needs so much less. We use a little dropper that has the measurements listed out, but sometimes we just count about 14 drops and that's perfect. In the first couple weeks even, she can, we double the dosage to really help ensure really fast absorption of the glucosamine in her body. And we've just been really pleased with the results. Within 3 weeks, we've noticed she has more energy, she's jumping more, there's been no bad side effects, there's no fillers in this product, there's no gluten, so nothing that's ever going to bother your pet's stomach or system. We just are really, really happy, and we're telling everyone that we know that has a dog to definitely try this product as it's been really effective in our case. But that again is just our point of view.